Welcome. In this video, I will guide you through the installation of Java and BlueJ. I give you the link of BlueJ and Java on the course webpage, or you can find it searching on a web search engine. Now, here you have Windows, Mac OS, depend which system you're using. So download the one you need. The same goes for Java. We will use JDK 2.1, and here you can find Linux, Mac OS, or Windows, and just download this installer, NSI installer. In this video, I will make an example for Windows installer. Now, once you have both files downloaded, you are ready to begin. Now, first, we will install JDK. So double click and click on next. The standard folder is okay, so next. And you are just waiting the installation procedures to go on. It could take up to some minutes, depend on the machine you have on your computer. So just now wait. Now, once it's completed, you will just need to close this Windows. And now we will install BlueJ. It's quite simple. Now, if it's just you that you use this computer, you choose the first option. If you want for multiple users, you choose the second. I will go with the first one. Next, you will leave everything checked. The standard folder is okay. Next, install. Now, also here, it could take some minutes, and after this step is done, we are ready to go. Now it's copying the new file, and we are ready. Finish. Now you should have your link to BlueJ on your desktop, and you're ready to go. So for this video is all. See you next time.